He comes up with a lot of confidence, Richardson. Looking over the...
Gives it to the first man. And for the extra point is LeBoyle.
Nicely done. We'll see it again, Bob. He gets it. Quick handoff. Not deep. It's all again, Bob. He gets it. Quick handoff. Not deep. It's all...
A touchdown.
Well, that inside handoff I said was pretty safe, Bob. And
dig into this ball. Oh, he's to the line.
He's popped. Look at over there clapping. Routine going for the... Look at this. I like this.
Here we go.
Heavily involved. So it's definitely not heavily anything, but he is involved. You get your big fullback here to kick the ball, figuring he's got the best set of legs on the team.
Strongest kid on the team.
That's it.
Here we go, 7-0. The Southward got the ground first. It's picked up by one of the close-up linemen. He's got room.
He's got a lot of room.
45-yard line, cuts it back in, and crosses.
Again, they can't get through from here. That was spectacular. That was a great play.
What a great game to go back and forth like they have.
From a 0-0 tie, that's impressive.
Evans and there's a great end over kick. And so hard it knocked him down. At the 26 at the 26-yard line.
You don't see that often. He kicked the putting out of that ball, and it just knocked him over. What a...
James Evans gets there.
I got it. Whoa, I got it.
It did not. It hit him just underneath his face mask and into his chest.
Oh, boy, I got a new nickname for him, Earthquake. Oh, he loaded that.
They can change.